Hi guys, hope you're well. I wanted to do a really quick video. This video is for you if you're building niche sites. It doesn't have to be Amazon sites, but if you're looking to rank sites via SEO and you're writing content, specifically reviews of stuff, okay? So it could be ClickBank reviews, it could be Amazon reviews, it could be reviews of another product that you're linking to another site as an affiliate. This will help you to write content a lot faster, and it's a very simple thing to do, and it will actually increase the amount of content that you've got and make your content far better for interlinking. So in terms of people able to navigate your site, and it will work better with Google. So I just thought I'd share this with you because it's how I write content and it takes away the guesswork. So I'm going to show you that. Do check out the link below if you want a site built for you, a real site, Amazon affiliate site that will actually work and rank. I won't go on and on about it, but just check it out. It's in the description. I've got one spot left with the discount. You can see a video here, everything you get. In a nutshell, you get a big site here. You get 5 reviews with 3,000 words per page, fully SEO'd and interlinking, logo and background done for you, menu setup done for you, and you're also getting a free 14 days to profit coaching, which is brand new, and it will give you step-by-step coaching with your site. So all you have to do is follow that and you can build the site up and make money, and you'll know that you have a proper site. So check out this video for all the stuff, all the information. Just remember, when you go through the links below, when you get to the checkout, make sure that you type special into the coupon code box and it will give you the discount. Okay, so it's already at half price. You're getting a 70% discount in total with the coupon special, and you'll get that, and you've also got the content templates in there as well, which will help you to write content really fast. So do check that out. It will really help you. And let me show you the intention for this video. Let me show you how you can write content really quickly without having to worry so much. So I was just writing content for this site, which is a case study site. It's a real site, but I'm just going to show it flipping on Flipper. So I'm building it to flip it. It's got 9 pieces of content. It's already ranking. It's doing okay. And I want to show you how I write content relatively quickly for it. If you have trouble writing content, you're going to love this. So here we go. I was just writing this out. What you want to do really simply is, number 1, and by the way, if you go for the offer below, you're going to get the content templates that will give you a template to be able to do this far easier. Okay, so with your site you get the content templates as well. You want to write your own content and use the templates as a base, by the way. Okay, so with the stuff I'm telling you, don't do it exactly like this, otherwise it won't work as well for you. But what you want to do is get a notepad and pen, or even write on your computer, and you want to have sections that you've already thought about before you write the content. So I'll give you a really easy way that I do it. When I write a review, I'll talk about the introduction, what I'm going to tell them in the review. But then a really simple way that you can do it is include a heading, if you like. What we will cover in this post we will cover, and you can put all your sections and write a little bit about each section here. So I'm going to cover our rating, I'm going to cover who is it for, I'm going to cover the features down here, I'm going to cover final thoughts, and I could also put more in there. I could put, I'm going to cover comparisons and so on, and then write a little bit about it. And not only will that help you with your ranking and your SEO, because you're going to have more content, more relevant content there, but what it will also do is help you when you're writing content, because now you know that you've got these sections. So our rating, I can talk about my rating of the product first, and as I'm doing that, I know the next section I'm going to do is who is this for, and then the next section is the features, then the next section is final thoughts. I might even put a comparison in there. So a very simple thing to do. This is the main thing here, this bit. Okay, so a lot of people struggle with content because they don't split it up into little sections. So instead of writing one big article or one big review that you're really confused about, why not split it up into 5, 6, 7, 8, 500 word snippets that just cover those main points in that snippet? And that, when you combine it all together, you're going to end up with really, a really good article. So you're going to like end up with 6,000 words, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 words of content, or anywhere from 2,000, 3,000 and higher. That's really good, well structured. So you could also link this as well. You know, you could link it to anchor text, link it so it goes down to that part on your site, and it's a really good way to construct your content so you can easily write it, and then all you have to do is write for that bit and research for that bit. So that will really help you if you're struggling and you're sat there with a blank page a lot of the time thinking, oh, I don't know what to write about, and my reviews all over the place. And it will also help structure your review. So if you're writing longer reviews, it will structure it and people will know where they are, and Google's far more likely to love you as well and pick you for snippets if you write your content like that. So just thought I'd give you that little tip. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give us the thumbs up. I know it's a little tip, but some of them are the best like that, because I hope that's really helped you. If you want a site built for you, do use that coupon code. It's special. The link's below because it's the last one. Okay, so there's only one left for the discount. So if you want to get in, I'd love to have you with me. If you want a site built properly that looks just like this one, but in your own unique niche, then get in and get a site built for you properly that will actually rank and make money. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon, and I hope that helps.